How to change username on Roblox. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, open up the Roblox application on your device and make sure that you have logged into your account. After logging into your account, you can just land onto your homepage of the Roblox application. So just make sure that you have the stable Wi-Fi connection on your device, and if you do not have a stable Wi-Fi connection, you can switch to a cellular data as well. Now we're just going to wait until it loads to the home page of Roblox. So as you can see, it has already loaded. Now in order to change the username on Roblox, all you have to do is just tap on the more option at the bottom right corner of the screen and then tap on profile. Then tap on the name that pops up, or you can just directly go to edit profile. Then as you tap on edit profile, you can see the username over here. So in order to change the username, you can see the pencil icon over here. Tap on the pencil icon and here it says that you need 1000 more to change your username. Would you like to buy more Robux? So there's insufficient funds and you need to have sufficient funds in order to change the username on Roblox. So either you have to buy or you have to earn it. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.